to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, man. Today we got another video. It might be a part 1, part 2, or I might just make one big video. I'm finally about to do some work to the E36. I'm about to go drop it off to the interior shop to get my roof fixed. Brace yourself. I'm going to show them what it look like, yo. Look on the roof, man.
Get all that detail, bro.
But yeah, man, y'all see what it is, man. So we're gonna go drop the car at the interior shop. I'm gonna try to get the roof done, and I'm gonna see what else we can get done, man. Yeah, I'm tired of this car that's looking rough, man. And I don't want no other cars, so I'm gonna just fix up all my project cars, man. All right, we'll see you in a little bit, man. Yo, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Yeah, man, I got to pick the car up from the shop. Let's see, got that new headliner installed. Guys, go check that out. I do want to get this part, I want to get this part either replaced if I can, or maybe I'll just get this part resprayed. I get this part resprayed, and then I'll probably just buy the seal new. But the headliner is fixed. I have to order this part. You know, when I had the accident, all that got tore up. Get this windshield. It's cracked. This is a brand new windshield, but I cracked it myself. I'm gonna install my hood. So these are probably one of the most difficult hoods to line up. So I took it to the body shop and they got it lined, and I'm probably gonna take it back when I get this. I'll show you guys this panel. It's raining outside right now, so yeah, when I probably take it to get this fender painted. Yeah, this fender still needs some paint. You know, so stay tuned, man. My camera's probably all wet. I'll be back. Yeah, man, stay tuned for the next video, man, or for the next clips. You will see my interior completed, you know, so stay tuned. Yeah, man, we got the windshield replaced. Brand new windshield. Trying to make more progress on this build, and I also added a rear spoiler. I'll change up the look a little bit to it. See, just letting it sit. Still got the interior redone. I mean the headliner. So yeah, man, we made a lot of upgrades to the project car, man. This one's already been rewrapped, so I got the material now. I'm gonna take it to the upholstery shop and see if they can wrap. I got this panel now. So let me show you guys. So I got my A-pillar right here. It's not too bad, but I just want to get it wrapped to match the other ones. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Interior complete. Let's show you zoomed in. Headliner, everything. A-pillar. T-pillar. This car has came a long way, man. Just a few months ago, it wasn't even drivable. You know what I mean? But now we got the interior redone, the headliner redone. Well, next up is the seats. You know, like this for now. You know, clean, man. I done blew a bag on this car, man. I ain't gonna lie. You know, it was all worth it though, man. This car to me is like, I wouldn't say like a trophy, but it's like one of them things that, you know, like you gotta, it's my first YouTube build, you know. So y'all done seen this car when I first bought it to where it's at now. So they're going through all the crashes. I mean, going through that crash and being rebuilt, interior being redone, suspension being rebuilt. You know, this car has a long, like a good story to it. You know, like a redemption story. That's how I feel.
I'll show y'all that the sunroof headliner is done. You know, at the top back, the headliner ain't flying in the air no more. Yeah. Ride clean, man. Yeah, man. I just want to thank y'all for watching my videos, man, and keeping me motivated. Posts. Thanks for the likes and the comments, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, keep on going up, man. You can make 5, you can flip it into 10. You know what I mean? As long as you put in the work, you can reap the rewards, you know what I mean? Had to step on that fool a little bit, you know what I mean? Showing that we in that big E36, 328, you know what I mean? Ain't an M3. It feel like an M3 when I'm in it, you know what I mean? That motherfucker flying. See? It feel like an M3 when I'm in it. Yeah, man, I mean, just stay tuned, man. Got more stuff coming for these cars, man. 5 Series. About to jump back on that one, man. Trying to get the interior done. Get the body panels replaced. I want the body clean, you know, no dents, no scratches, none of that. I'm getting ready for paint. Probably get like some body kits too. I want to get a new hood for the my 839. I like that carbon fiber hood I seen at that car show a few videos back. I kind of want that whole setup, you know what I mean? Not to copy it, but like I want to go in that direction. You know what I mean? Not stock body. Like put some flavor on it. You know what I mean? Yeah, stay tuned, man. Peace.